From now on, you can take power anywhere you go. So this power bank is rugged dust, and most importantly waterproof. That's why it's a must for any kind of outdoor activity. There are 2 types of ports to charge 2 devices at a time. That's comfy. Need some light? Okay, there's a built-in light with several brightness levels and several modes. For example, you may use in soft mode in case of an emergency. The light runs up to 12 hours on one charge. Last but not least, the carabiner clip allows several mounting options and charging on the go. Now this thing right here is the Swiss Army knife of the internet age. It's the most compact and smart way to carry 6 different cables in your pocket. The gadget includes 2 USB-C connectors, 2 standard USBs, as well as Lightning and micro USB for all your mobile devices. The cables are suitable both for charging and syncing. Moreover, you can use a phone or tablet as a power source. You can charge your phone, smartwatch, or earbuds, absolutely no limits. Know what this thing allows? Ultra-fast charging at 100 watts. The max version gives you even more freedom with its 5 feet length. Also, the gadget's keyring compatible, so it's super easy to carry around anywhere you go. So first, this phone has 2 displays, the inch main screen and that circular one on the back. And it isn't just for watch faces. This sub-screen works great, showing incoming calls, alarms, and other notifications. This phone boasts a huge 6 mAh battery, 5G connectivity, and several cams. Gamers will definitely appreciate the advanced heat dissipation and 2 powerful cores that deliver high-level performance. And what's really cool, there's a programmable button that can be assigned to virtually any function. With its sturdy waterproof construction, this phone is a perfect travel companion, and a stylish one for sure. This portable charger is a fantastic purchase for every smartwatch owner. It's compact, cute, yet really powerful. You can charge your watch wirelessly either from your laptop when you're working, a power bank if you're out, or a socket when you're at home. Yep, the operation is that simple. Just plug it into any power source and it's ready to work. It only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge any watch, and the overheat protection adds several points to your safety. Thanks to its small size, you can attach it to your keychain and always have it at hand. This watch comes with 2 different style watch straps of your choice. It can be fully charged in 2 hours of fast charging, exercise, whole body monitoring. And don't worry about water, this is fully waterproof, and a slow you can monitor heart rate, oxygen. This watch also provides you blood pressure monitoring if you get bored. With old strap you can replace the strap. And if you want to wake up the screen, just raise your hand to wake up the screen. You can manage the settings with its 1.71 inches display. And you can change and customize the watch face of your choice. Only for this watch, the link in the description below. This tiny camera from Sony is a perfect choice for any vlogger or traveler. The cam is so lightweight and compact that it literally fits in your pocket. Nonetheless, it's packed with all sorts of pro-level features. The 24mm SRT lens along with electronic stabilization delivers 4K resolution images. Despite its wide-angle lens design, improved minimum focusing distance is 7.9 inches with the built-in 180-degree tilting display. Must be extremely handy when shooting selfies. The soft scan effect, along with automatic eye tracking, ensure great portrait shots without much effort. As for the additional editing, there's a smart and intuitive mobile app this cam is also really good at. Mo's and time lapses that can be recorded with intervals as you'd expect. The device is waterproof, shockproof, and all that, but if you still need more capabilities, there's a bunch of great additional accessories. If you don't want to miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon.